for this. It's not hurting at all. What are you doing? No. See that? It's not fake at all. It's a 4, 3, 4, something like that.
3 and a bit.
3 and a bit.
I think that's like, how long?
10 minutes now.
Really? It was
Yeah.
like 3 minutes, like 2 minutes ago.
That makes completely not sense. Wait, Japanese.
My logic usually. Start shopping Nuremberg.
Nuremberg. We're gonna make a new YouTube account soon, so we can download this video onto it. Maybe, possibly.
Various videos.
And other various videos with the handcuffs and the whips and the strawberries and the ice cream and the ice cream.
Get the pretzels.
And Becky.
If she sees this, she's gonna be like, "Why the pretzels are broken?" Oh,
What?
wait.
Hallelujah. That failed because I didn't say it properly.
Oh, pretzel.
I'll show them some art. Like, she's some sexy out. Look at my bag. It's a mess. No, mine.
This is what daily news just keep clean. Just wait, shopping the market.
Hell yeah.
What's out?
Yep. No showers, nothing else. Just that. No clothes, nothing. I go naked. Because I'm proud of my body. That's a lie. I did the sexy work. You better know who my Uncle Emma's are. I'll bite you. Won't you get it?
Bite you.
You bite them
I'll bite them.
where their piercings are, down below.
Oh yes.
Piercings are like prostitution, but worse. Aren't they?
Look at the tattoos down there.
Oh yeah, the tattoos down below. You do know where we're going about. Next thing, we're just completely clueless as to what we're going on about. Probably toes or something. It's not toes. Oh
Remember
god,
that audition for drops.
probably are. Clueless. Look at my fail of a Slipknot logo. We failed considerably. There is a clock tower my nan made me draw.
I remember seeing you drawing that. And I put it on to you.
Emo. Gmon. Emo. Gmon. Make my phone go funny. There's a star.
Sort of.
Sort of. More stars. Cross that star.
Blank pages.
I drew blank pages. I'm an excellent drawer for blank pages. If you haven't already noticed. Oh, look at that. Look at these sexy people. They're not sexy, the other people on the other side. And no, we do not call them metal. We call them rock or glam rock. Not these people. The other sexy people on the other side. Just turn it round. Turn that paper round. Who is it? It's not them. Oh, look at that sexy face. Can you see him? Has he got down below piercings? We do not know yet. Blackout. Oh look, Ollie, Josh, Ollie, someone.
That's the t-shirt
Sean.
on that.
Sean. Person. I don't even know the name. Kerrang Award.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, look at that. Ooh. Then, have they got down below piercings? We do not know yet. They seem to be covered up. Don't they, Katie?
Yes.
Katie has down below piercings.
So disappointing.
Don't you, Katie?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
So disappointing.
Oh yes, look at that.
The other side.
Ooh, look, it's Ozzy. Ah, my name is Ozzy. Ozzy. I don't know his name. What's his name? Sharon? What? She turned into a man? Since when? I have a stomachache. Yep. Gone. Josh, Ollie. Fan Sykes. Metallica. Ooh. They got down with the piercings. The guitars are in the way. Yeah, you're not allowed to see down there. My guitar's there. Huh? Yeah. Beat that, bitches. Stomachache. I should say bromance. Bromance. Throw out bromance. Broward is sexy.
Williams.
Look at Haley. I need the toilet.
Go pee then.
No, no,
What, down there recording? Should go into the little box. Take your camera with you and go.
They have down below
You
piercings.
should walk down there just holding it. So everyone can see the toilet. Look at this little trophy thing.
That's what we're gonna do. Put the camera after
Put
that.
the camera away so you can pee. Unless you want to show them everything.
I'm okay, thank you. We've only known each other for how long? We saw each other on Monday.
Last Monday.
Last Monday, not this Monday. Yeah, don't get it wrong.
What day was that? 23rd July.
23rd of July, 2012. Is it 2013 or 2012? Or is it 2011?
2012. And it's
2012.
now the 1st of August.
We've only seen each other, and then that makes us seem like we're going out or something. We've only seen each other since
Yeah, and then we actually started talking properly.
yesterday. I did try to make conversation.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yep.
And the example one. Yeah.
Yep, I made the conversation up. I was the one who asked you what band you like.
And then all of a sudden, it was me, you,
And Becky.
parents,
And Becky.
grandparents,
And ice cream.
and ice cream,
And strawberries.
and strawberries,
And the whip.
and tuna.
And tuna. What?
We had tuna salad last night.
Oh yes, well done. And the barbecue burger that didn't look too nice. Did it taste nice?
The onion rings were alright.
The onion rings are
And
alright.
chips.
Yeah, it was an American restaurant.
There wasn't much to choose from. It was either
Burger. Burger.
You needed salad in a burger.
That's clever.
Sorry.
Wait.
Yep. Psst. Miserable.
Look, this is cool. That man's head. See that man's head, the bald man? See that bald man with the chocolate? He shows his belly. He likes to show his belly because he thinks it's big. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, well done. Oh, names of
I only
Katie
know like
and their
obviously.
parents.
Yeah.
And I
your
thought-
grandparents' name.
I feel icky. Icky.
I know, sorry. I don't know anyone else's name.
If Teddy West smells like fish or anything, you know Ashley Purdy's been there with his whore or his slut or his prostitute.
Been on this trip nearly 2 weeks. And we only know like 5 people's names. There's 28 of us.
We're
on this
amazing,
trip.
aren't we? We're just brilliant at socialising.
Totally.
We're joking. Ashley is a highly respectable person. If Ashley sees this, we're completely sorry for calling your girls sluts and whores and prostitutes. We're sorry. We are sorry for implying that you hire prostitutes. We are sorry.
Lauren probably does.
we love you really.
Yes, we do.
But she loves Andy more because she's a traitor.
Trademark. And he's just. I know there's something attractive about
Look,
being
you're
a lead
there,
singer.
Ashley. Oh, right near the boob like every other show.
Kind of around the back now because I keep moving.
I think if a
And
man,
it's meant to be at the front.
if a man is wearing a black Bob Bride shirt, it's near his chest area. His chest is his chest. Let's just say his chest.
Yes.
Do they have? What do they call men's? They call women's boobs. What do they call men's nipples?
Yeah. And then in the
Do you
big
have a
they call
nipple
them
erection?
boobs.
Boobs.
Solar
But-
panels, that is a lot of solar panels.
So if Ashley is on a man's t-shirt and he's near their chest area, their nipple, does that mean? Is they implying Ashley's gay?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. What's that beeping? It's really irritating.
It's me. Beep.
Hurry! Damn it.
We had a lot of teddies. Did you see the teddies?
I know, but he was drinking. You got like a woman, like, stuck on the side, literally. Just a woman, like,
He stole your woman, Ashley.
You got like a picture of a woman just kind of like.
Look, it's cool. Can you see him? Yeah. I mean, not World War II, Berlin Wall.
Cold War.
Cold War. It's so fun. I feel sick. I hate car sick. Yeah. I don't know. Look at her teeth. They're very nice and white. They're red now. Yeah. Do you wear makeup?
got a bit on today. Maybe she put eyeliner like the whole way around.
This has been going for 20 minutes.
But I can never be able to put it on because the weather's too hot.
What?
The weather here is too hot, so I can never be bothered to put loads of makeup on.
I just don't put makeup